Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. We are going to start a new chapter, that is exponents and powers. This is very new term for you. Today we will learn in a detail about what are the exponents, what are the powers, how to write a large number in the form of a powers and its exponents. So, first we will have an introduction of this, then we will try to find out how to write an numbers in an exponents and power form. So, my dear student, we will start with a new topic, that is exponents and powers. Here you know the small numbers, you write, you read the small numbers by putting the commas between the numbers and you write. Here, do you know what the mass of earth is? This is term you are having in geography. Do you know? Yes, it is this number of kgs is the mass. What is 5, 970, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, kg. Do you able to read this number? No. So, can you read this number? Mass of a universe is 86,800, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000 kg. Again the mass of earth as well as the Uranus is given to us, but we are unable to read it. Even we are putting the commas in the international systems, then also we are unable to read it. Which has a greater mass, earth or universe? Out of these both, the mass is given to us of earth and Uranus, which is greater. So, the distance between Sun and the Saturn is given to us in meter and the distance between the Saturn, and the Uranus is given to us in meter. So, distance between Sun to Saturn is given to us and the distance between Saturn to the Uranus is given to us. Can you read this number? Which distance is less? Because we have to compare here which has a greater mass, earth or Uranus. The values are given, that is the distance from Saturn to the Sun is given to us and the distance from the Saturn to the Uranus is given to us. So, we have to compare this, that we have to find out which is a less distance, which distance is less. These very large numbers are difficult to read because I am unable to read. So, you may thinking how to read these numbers which are given very large number. Understand and compare to make this a number easy to read, understand and compare. We use exponents. The chapter name is exponents. So, we are using the term as an exponent in this chapter, and we shall learn about the exponents and also learn about how to use them. Again I will repeat, this is very large numbers which is given to us as the mass of earth. Even we are knowing mass of Uranus. So, and we have to find out the distance between the Saturn and earth and the Saturn and Uranus, which is already given to us, but it is hard to find out which distance is less. To do this or to compare this, the large numbers, we read or we are unable to read, it is difficult to read or difficult to understand and compare. To make this easy to read as well as to understand and to compare, we use exponents. And in this chapter, we are going to learn about the exponents and also learn how to use these exponents. Now, we will see exponents. So, observe this, the number this is very easy to read out because it is a small number, that is 10,000. How you can write this number and exponents form, that is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. 10 how many times? Multiplication, that is 4 times we are multiplying 10, that is the product will be 10,000. So, here the 10 is how many times? 4 times. So, we write as a power 4. We had learned till now is 10 to the square, 10 to the cube. Here we are saying that 10 to the power 4. So, it is 4 times a 10 in the multiplication form. The short notation, that is 10 raised to 4, stands for the product, that is 10 raised to 4, which will stand for the product is nothing but a multiplication of the 10 how many times? 4 times. So, we are multiplying to 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, that is nothing but a short notation which is written as a 10 to the power 4. Here 10 is called the base and 4 the exponents. Exponent, 4 is exponent. What is the 10 is a base. So, 4 is exponent, the number 10 is a base and 4 is exponent is read as 10 raised to power 4. 10 raised to power 4, or you can simply as a fourth power of 10. We generally use this word as 10 raised to power 4, it may be power 5, it may be power 8. So, 10 raised to power 4, which we had having a short notation, that is 10 raised to power 4, or we can simply say that a fourth power of 10. So, 10 to the power 4 or 10 raised to power 4 is called as an exponential form of 10,000. We can similarly express this 1000 as a power of 10, since the 10,000 since 1000 is 10 multiplied by itself 3 times. Here we were having 10,000, we are considering another example as 1000. So, we are multiplying 3 times 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So, it is 10 raised to the power 3, 10 raised to the power of 3. So, here again 10 raised to the power of 3 is exponential form of 1000. Similarly, we can write of this is 100,000 and lakh. So, you can write as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 how many times? 5 times. So, 10 raised to the power of 5 is exponential form of 1 lakh. In both these examples, the bases are 10. Here in this all the example we have a base as 10. In case of 10 to the power 3, or we can say 10 raised to the power of 3, the exponent is 3, and in case of 10 raised to the power of 5, the exponent is 5. So, whatever you are writing as a power is nothing but an exponent, where the base is here 10. So, I think so you understood the new terminology, that is exponents, how to read the given number. We will read this number and we will go further. It is, the number is given to us as 10 raised to power of 5, 10 raised to power of 5, 5 is an exponent and 10 is an base. Now, we will have some example. For example, 47561 is equal to, you know what is an expanded form of this. So, here you know 4 multiplied by 10,000 plus 7 multiplied by 1000 plus 5 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 1 is nothing but this is written in an expanded form. So, when we are having a multiplication of something like 1000, 10,000, lakh, so we can write that number in exponent form. So, in this can be written as 4 multiplied by, this you know how to write in an exponent form, that is 10 is a base, you know how to write 10 multiplied by how many times? 4 times, 10 raised to the power of 4. So, 10 to the power of 4, or you can say 10 raised to the power 4. Here same we will see here plus, we will write here plus 7, we will write 7 into, here we are having a 1000. So, 1000 is written in the form of an exponent as 10 raised to power 3, and 5 is written as plus 5 multiplied by 100, it is written as 10 raised to 2, or we can say it is 10 square, plus you know is 10 is do not have power. So, it is we write as a 10 here, but it has a power as an 1 plus 1. So, we had tried to write this in a same way as one more example at 17256426374. So, in this way we can find out a power and how to write in an exponent form. Similarly, we are having another example as 2 raised to power 5 or 2 raised to power 5, as 2 is multiplied 5 times, which is the 5th power of 2. We can read in the both the way I told. So, what will be the multiplication here? Base is 2 and exponent is 5. So, we are multiplying 5 times, you know the multiplication, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. In 2 is the base, here the power is 5, that is exponent is 5, 2 raised to power 5 is 2 is a base and 5 is an exponent. And similarly, if we are having some another example, as same way we have to write as 243 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 3 raised to power 5. So, how to find out this? Because here the number may get increased, every time we will not have a small number, we will have large number. This you know 64 is very easy. So, you can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2, that is 2 is a base and exponent is an 6. So, 2 raised to the power of 6. 625 is also very easy. So, 5 raised to power 4, 5 is a base and exponent is a 4. So, 4 times we have to multiply 5. To find out this, what we have to use? Yes, you are right, we have to find out an HCF, that is highest common factors. So, we will have some other expressions, that is 256 as a power 2. We have 256 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, how many time? Is 8 time. So, we can say that 256 is equal to 2 to the power of 8 or 8th power of 2 or 2 base and exponent is 8. So, in this way we can find out with factors and we can write its power. Which one is greater? 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube or 3 square. So, first by seeing we can't judge that which one is greater. So, we have to solve it practically. So, we have 2 raised to power 3 or we can say 2 cube is nothing but a 3 time of 2. We are multiplying 2 3 times. So, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to, what is the product of this? Is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. And what is the product of 3 cube 3 square? Is nothing but a square, means it is a 2 time. So, 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. By comparing their products, by comparing the products of this both the given powers, where the bases are different and powers are also different, that is exponents are also different. So, we have taken the product of both and we will compare the product, which one is greater? 9 is greater than the 8. So, since 9 is greater than 8, so 3 raised to 2 or 3 square is greater than 2 cube. 3 square is greater than 3 cube. One more example we will see here, which one is greater? Is 8 to the power 2 or 8 raised to 2 or 2 raised to 8? 2 raised to 8. So, here we will find out the multiply, that is the product. 8 is how many time we have to multiply? Base is 8. So, we will multiply base how many time? 2 times. So, we are multiplying 8 multiplied by 8 and we are finding its product. So, 8 8s are 64 and here the base is 2. How many time? Exponent is 8. So, we are going to multiply 8 times the base is 2. So, 2 we are multiplying 8 times. When you multiply the 2 8 times, then we have to find its product by multiplication of in this way. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. If you do not know, stop here and remaining you can multiply 2 2s are 4. So, you can multiply 64 into 4 is nothing but 256. 256. Now, you can compare the product of this both, that is 64 and 256, which is greater. 256 is greater, is nothing but is base is 2 and exponent is 8. So, 2 to the power of 8 and here is 8 to the power 2. So, 2 to the power of 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2 or 8 square. So, in this way first we have to write in the multiplication form, we see the exponent how many time or what is the exponent given to us. So, same number of time we have to multiply the base, and after multiplication of the base we have to find out its product, and then we have to compare which is greater or which is smaller. Now, one more example, that was with a number, we will have with some variables. Expand a cube b square a square b cube comma, because these are the different terms. So, b square a cube b cube a square, are they all same? Are these all same? We have to see. So, here we are having a base different, some here powers also, that is exponents are also different. So, we have to compare the given terms, which are 4 terms are given to us, are they same or not. We will see one by one. First, we will consider the first term as a to the power 3 or a raised to 3 and b raised to 2. So, how we will write this? A cube as a multiplied by a multiplied by a, b cube as b multiplied by b. So, what will be this? A multiplied by a multiplied by a and b multiplied by b. This what we had done, just we had written in a expanded form, was in the simplest form. So, a square or b cube, how we will return? We will write similarly, again a square means it will be multiplication of by 2 times we have to multiply as a into a, and b cube means we multiply b into b 3 times. B square a cube, again b 2 times and a 3 times we multiply. The fourth term is b cube and a square. So, b cube means we multiply it 3 times and the square means we have to multiply 2 times. Note that in the case of terms a cube, b square and a square, b cube, the powers of a and b are different. A and b are different, thus the a cube b square and a square b cube are different, are not same. Here the powers are different. If you compare here a cube and here a square, the power here is 2 and here is 3. So, they are not same. So, they are different. So, in this way, by expanding we have seen that given terms are same or not. Now, you can say that when the powers are different, here we are having a 2 terms that we had considered, that is a cube b square and a square b cube, they are different. So, in this way by expanding we can find out that they are same or they are different. Now, express the following numbers as a product of powers of prime factors. I told how to find out n factors. It is the prime factors, you know prime factorization, which already we had learned in the 5th standard. So, you should know the factors and some divisibility rule which will help you to find out n factors. Here the number is given to us as 72. We have to find out first the factors of this. So, number as its product of the powers of prime factors. So, what will be the factor of this? So, you can say that 72 by seeing this number in the ones place we have a even number. So, it is divisible by 2. giving a remainder as 0. So, we multiply 2 multiplied by 36 is 36, 2s is 72. So, we will find out the factors of 36. So, we will continue 2 multiplied by 2 into 18, 2s are 36. We will write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, you know 18, how you will write 18 as 2 9s are 18. Again you will continue here that in the next step as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, how you write as 9 is 3 3s are 9. Here 2 is the base, how many times is repeated? 2 is repeated 3 times. So, it is power is 3 and base is 2, and 3 multiplied by 3 is the base is 3, how many times it is multiplied? It is multiplied 2 times. So, here we can write as 3 to we can say the 3 square of 3 raised to power of 2. So, required prime factors product form you can find out in this way, or you can find out as an prime factorization, both the answer will be same. I will explain this by finding the factors by division method. Here we are having even number, so we start with the even number as 2, 36 are 72. If you are having a large number here, you can practically divide and you can find out the number. Again we are having a even number here, so we can divide it by 2, or we can start with a 2. So, 2 18s are 36. Again we are having a even number 8, so we divide with 2. So, 2 9s are 18. Now, we are having a odd number, so we will try after 2 we get as a 3, we will try with a 3, 3 3s are 9. So, what are the factors of 72 is 2 3 times. So, we are writing as 2 raised to 3, or we can say 2 cube, and 3 2 times. So, we write as 3 to the power 2, or we can say 3 square. So, we can find the factors by both the methods, and we can find it in a power form, or we can say in the exponential form. Now, find the values of 2 to the power of its 6 or 6th power of 2. So, 2 is the base. So, what is the power, or we can say exponents is 6. So, 2 we have to multiply how many times? We have to multiply 6 times. So, 2 multiplied by 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 2 6 times. Multiply this as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 2s are 64. So, we had find out the value of 2 raised to power of 6, and similarly we can find out the value of 5 raised to power of 4. So, base is 5. So, we will multiply base how many time? 4 time. So, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, how many time? 4 time. So, 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. So, 25 square is 625. So, in this way we had tried to find out the value of a given powers, that is 5 to raised to the power of 4 and 2 raised to the power of 6. Today we had learned in short what is an exponents and how to read it and how to write in expanded form and how to find out its value. We will go in depth with some more example in the next session. Please try to read out the textbook So, it will be more easy for you. Thank you very much.